Hey YouTube, it's it's July 9th, 2022. So basically what I'm going to show you right now is a small project that I've been working on for probably way too long. I think I started it in 2019, I think prior to COVID or just around COVID. I started it basically just to, something to do as a quick project. But I put it down for 2 years or whatever number of years, 3 years now. And but the Gravely Mow-In, for those of you who don't know, the Gravely Mow-In, the annual Mow-In, is local. It's here. It's going to be at this Zagre Farm Museum in Colchester, Connecticut. Basically, you've probably seen videos of either on my channel or other channels about the Zagre Farm Museum, but this is the first year that the Gravely Mow-In will be part of that. So there's going to be a massive amount of Gravely enthusiasts and people from the club that are going to be there. I'll be there, Ralph will be there, and I'm sure a lot of other people that you know who enjoy the working on Gravely's is going to be there. So for that show, I decided to finish this project. So let me this video, since I started in 2019, it was only piecemeal. So in the beginning, I'm basically just have some pictures and some clips, and I'll probably just talk over it, and then I will show you where I currently, what I've started, now back in 2022. So let's take a look. So made a lot more progress with the top. As you can see, it looks pretty decent. It's pretty reflective. It's not perfect. You can definitely see me. There's definitely some cloud and some haze. I still got to work on it. I don't know. I'm going to try to get it the best I can for the Mow-In. And so if you want to see it, you're going to have to see the final product. You'll see it there, but I'm going to keep working on it. The bottom side I haven't touched in a little bit, so it's been cleaned up, but it hasn't been polished. So I'm going to flip to the other side to make some progress on that, and then I'll come back to this side. But it's definitely not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. You still see tons of imperfections in here and small scratches, but right now it should be good enough for what I want to do is just want to put it on display at the show. But that's where we are, and let me keep moving on. Pretty much finished it up as good as I'm gonna get it. Pretty happy with it. As you can see, there's a decent amount of reflection on it. It's not perfect. There's a lot of micro scratches that some of them are really deep, so in order for me to get rid of them, I had to have to go back and take it down probably another 2 to 3 thou the whole way. I just it's not that critical. I'm not going crazy with it, but as you can see, there's my reflection. So it's pretty good. The backside even more micro fissures, cracks and stuff like that, so that one I didn't get as well. I didn't basically polish it as much because there's so many scratches. I probably have to take down 5 thou to 10 thou on some of these, but usually still a decent polish on it, decent finish. What do you expect? It's a brush hog blade, so as you can see, definitely a lot of the micro cracks, but hell, this looks 1,000 times better than what it did. So if you're seeing this now, you know, this is I'm planning on releasing this video while I'm at the show, so I'll probably release this, you know, probably Saturday. So I guess swing by if you want to see it in person. Swing by on Sunday. So I'll probably release this on Saturday. So hey, hope to see a lot of you guys there. Introduce yourself. You know, like to you know, always meet some of the people who see my videos and thank them personally. So talk to you guys soon, and hope to see you at the show.